Hello everyone from Elif's kitchen. Today, I want to share with you a very light and very delicious egg bread recipe fried in very little oil without soaking up the oil. Take 3 eggs into a large bowl. Add 1 tea glass of milk, a 1/4 tea glass of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And mix well. Cut 1 loaf of bread into slices about 1 finger thick. At this stage, it's a great recipe to use up your stale bread. Then, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to a large pan and spread it with a brush. Heat the pan slightly and dip the bread slices into the prepared mixture, turning them to coat both sides. And let the excess mixture drain off. 1 loaf of bread is just right for this amount. If you want to use less or more bread, you can adjust the amount of the mixture accordingly. Fry on medium heat, turning both sides. It becomes a delicious egg bread fried in plenty of oil. I recommend you try it this way at least once. Place the fried egg bread on a paper towel-lined plate and for the remaining egg bread, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan again and fry in the same way. I'm sure you will love this recipe, which will become indispensable for your breakfast tables once you try it. If you watched my video until now and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for your interest.